So what all this boils down to is that Bodhitree can support three types of assignments. Assignments with objective questions, assignments with subjective questions, and programming assignments. How can it support each? Let's see. So whatever we have already covered as part of Bodhitree can be used to handle assignments with objective questions. All you need to do is a little bit of organization, where there are two ways you can go. You can designate an entire chapter for assignments, and within this chapter you can have different sections, one for each individual assignment. So this is one way. The other is you have already organized your content in the form of chapters, sections, that is based on some concept, and within a concept, that is a section belonging to a concept, you can put an assignment there. All in all, it boils down to putting some material within a section. So for this, you can use the document content type for uploading lab related instructions. This document content type also permits you to upload files. So you can also share whatever files you want with the students using that upload file feature. If the lab or assignment has some demonstration videos associated with it, you can use the video content type to add that as well. And then you use the quiz content type to post objective questions. This is the out video quizzes. And whatever students attempt, these are all auto graded. Here is an example of how Bodhitree handles assignments with objective questions. As you can see, I have created a separate chapter called Lab Material, and this chapter has multiple sections, each designated for a given assignment. Notice I am showing this as a student interface. So let me look at this Lab 3. So if you see this Lab 3, there is a document which is basically about lab instructions, and then there are two quizzes associated with this lab. So if you look at the lab document, this is a lab instructions where it is telling some objective, it is giving some reference material. It is also telling what resources are required for this lab. So basically these are software tools which you need to install to be able to do the activity in this lab. And there are a lot of instructions here which is explaining, for example, how to run this tool at command line, what type of output you may see. So there are a lot of figures that are explaining a lot about the particular lab details. Finally, after all this explanation, it is basically telling, with this background, why don't you attempt the quiz titled Playing Around with RSA. So this is exercise 1. And quiz 1 is related to exercise 1. And then there is exercise 2, where again you are giving lot more instructions, including some screenshots, and telling that with this background, attempt quiz 2. Okay. And here you can also, let me click it, you are sharing some files that are needed to do this lab as well. And all those files you have zipped them and are sharing with the students. So the student basically is going to read these instructions, download the zip files, and outside of Bodhitree on their laptop, they are going to perform this activity. And finally, when they are ready, they will come and answer these questions. So let's see some of these questions as well. So there are a lot of these questions. These are all fill in the blank questions. It can be multiple choice also. So there are a lot of questions they need to answer based on exercise 1. Similarly, exercise 2 also, this has some multiple choice questions. In fact, it has quite a few questions. And all this is predominantly auto graded except for this one specific question, which is a subjective question. When you are using this quiz interface, this subjective question, whatever is listed here, cannot be graded even by humans. because there is no interface to grade this. This is only for student to think, pause, see the answer before they go ahead with other objective questions. All these other objective questions though can be auto-graded using this interface. So this is how one can handle objective questions and some assignment on the Bodhi tree.